Hey you, it's me Marisha and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. This is a neutral glam look. You know, that look where you want to be extra but you don't want to be extra. You want to be real cute but you don't want to, go in the room and, everybody like looking at you. No. Okay. Anyways, if you like this look, make sure you hit that like button. And y'all, comment down below what you think. I really want to know what you guys think. I'm not just saying it because that's the YouTube language. I really want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let a sister know. Ooh, that kind of flow. I ain't walking after it though. I wish I could rap, but I can't. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you really, really like it, subscribe. No, just kidding. If you like this look, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I mean, why not? Do not leave this video. Do not leave my channel without subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. And if you really, really, really digging what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified every time I upload. Okay? Okay. I'm done rambling. Thank you for watching. Let's get into the video, okay? Alright. Bye-bye. I'll see you. I'm done. Okay? Yes. Hey, I'm super excited to be back with another video. Y'all, I have to apologize in advance because I did not get to put the eyebrows in here because my lighting got bad and it just wasn't good. I'm using BH Cosmetics neutral palette and it has so many beautiful neutral colors. I'm starting off with this orange shade and I'm using this as my transition color, and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. Now I'm blending it in with my blending brush by Morphe, just making it look smoother and soft. Next, I am going in with the darkest brown that I have before the darkest brown in the palette, and I am packing that in my crease. Now that that's packed in, I am going to blend that out using my Morphe blending brush. Next, I'm taking concealer and I am putting that on my lower lid, and I am going to spread that with my finger. I decided to add more because I just felt like that wasn't enough. Now I'm going in with this tan nude color and I'm going to pack that all over where I placed the concealer. Anytime that I want a color to show vividly, I just blot it, dab it, pat it on my lid. I don't spread it or sweep it or anything like that. That way it'll show really, really good. Now I'm taking this brush and I am blending the brown and the nude in together. Next, I am taking that brown shade and I'm placing it right on top of that nude tan color. So now I'm going in with the orange color that we use as our transition color, and I'm packing it right in between the nude and the brown. That way we get a fade away effect. I'm going to use this shimmery color and I'm going to place that on top of the nude. Now I am going to Eyeline my eyes. I am not going to do the wing eye. I just want to keep it a little simple on this part. So I'm just taking the liquid eyeliner and I'm just spreading it across my lid. Now I'm taking this eyeliner pencil by NYX. It's the color Black Bean, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. Now I'm taking my primer by NYX. It's called Pore Filler, and I'm just spreading that all over my face. And then I'll be going in with the Full Coverage foundation by Maybelline, and this is the number 330. It's called Toffee. Y'all, right now I'm just wondering, where has this color been at all my life? I just really like the coverage of it. This is my first time using this foundation too, the Full Coverage in the color 330. Now I'm taking the concealer and I'm highlighting the places that I want to be highlighted. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend that out. Next, I'm taking the It's My Ray Ray palette, and y'all, this palette is the bomb. I'm going to use the color Mocha to contour my face, and I like to brush upward towards my ear. And then, of course, I'm going to get around my hairline. And I'm going to put it on my jawline as well. Now I'm blending it in a backwards motion. And I'm blending it in along my hairline. And y'all, I'm using this peach color from the Anastasia palette as my blush. I was going to use blush from my blush palette, but I just really like the way this peach color looks. So I was just like, forget it, I'm going to use that. And now I'm blending in that. And now I'm going to contour my nose. And I'm going to blend that out as well. Now I'm taking that darker contour shade that I don't use, and I'm using it as a lip liner. Why? Because it works and I like the way it looks. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm taking another brush and I'm going in with that brown, and I am going to put this on my lower lid under my eye. Okay, now I'm taking this pink shade lip color. It's matte, it's by Essence, and I'm putting that on my lip, and I'm just blending in that brown and that pink together. Now I'm taking my setting powder and I am placing it over all the places that I highlighted and then some. Now I am sweeping it and just blending that out. And y'all, like I said in the last video, you really want to take your time doing this. So in this video, I definitely did so. I took my time getting rid of all of that setting powder because I did not want to look crazy. I'm going in with a firmer brush as well to blend out the setting powder. I went over my lips again because I just felt like it needed it. And now I am ready to highlight. So I'm going to highlight my nose, the bridge of my nose, my brow bone, and my cupid's bow. Also, I'm going to highlight on my cheek area right above where I placed that blush. Now I'm blending out that highlight on my cheekbone so it don't look too hard. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner of my eyes. I prime my eyelashes and then I go over it with my mascara. Now I'm setting my face and airing it out. And then I top my lip with some gloss. I just thought it would look way better. And I just like the way it looked. And now we are done. Guys, if you like this look, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't leave without subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.